I own 215 doors of rental properties and dropped out of corporate America at the age of 29, and I'm teaching you how to get your freedom for free over the next 30 days. What's up? I'm Ed, a former engineer that worked my way up through project management. I'm the guy that did everything the right way, but along the way, I realized that corporate America is all a bunch of BS. I went to school, got good grades, climbed the corporate ladder, and along the way, realized it was all still just a hustle. At every level, my salary increased, but so did the demand for my time and the stress levels. I knew I couldn't do that for another 40 years. You know, working 40 hours a week for another 40 years and then retiring and live off of 40% of your income. So I stopped trading hours for dollars and I started trading real estate. I bought my first duplex, then some single families, and then I graduated to apartment complex. There was always one rule. I wasn't gonna be answering calls from tenants in the middle of the night, and I wasn't fixing no toilets on the weekend. My 9 to 5 gave me financial freedom, but I wanted all three freedom. Over the next 30 days, I'm showing you what my version of freedom looks like, while teaching you the things you can do on your lunch break and your drive home. To turn your 40-year sentence into 2 and chuck the deuce to corporate America. I've helped over 700 families get financial, location, and time freedom, and you got next.
Chin up and big smile.
Here we go!
Follow me in the No Tenants, No Toilets challenge. Peace.
Yeah! Welcome back!